Okay, so just to recap what we've done, we have when we click our flag, it's going to change the size of our character. Then we have we set our rotation style to left and right, so that when we go left and right, it turns a different way. So like that, and then when we turn, if it's set left to right, it doesn't go upside down when we turn. If we had it on 360, it would flip upside down when we went to the left. Then we've got our 4 directions. So when we click the flag, forever it's looking for us to press the right arrow key. It's going to point in direction 90, which as you can see is to the right. It's going to change X by 10 as long as we're holding that right arrow key down. It's going to go to next costume. It was a little too fast, so now it's going to wait 0.05 seconds in between cycling through this. We did that for all 4 directions. Now what we're going to move on to is background and creating barriers so our character can't go through. So first we're going to start out with background. This is stage right here, backdrop. So one way you could do it, you could choose a backdrop. So I could maybe choose these woods, and that would put our character in the woods. It's one way to do it. Or let me go over here, backdrops, delete that. Or I could just draw, and I'm just going to draw one just to show you. Let's do a reddish line like that. Okay, so I'm going to make it thicker. This is your thickness, and I'm on stage and I'm on backdrops. So I'm going to do a line. So let's say like this. Oh, it's got an outline on it in black, so that's why it's not showing up red. That's fine. So now what I can do is I can set on my code, I can say, let me go over to code, when I'm going right, I can add another if, and I can say if it's touching a color, so if it's touching, and then if I do this little teardrop or dropper, I can choose that color. So if it's touching this color, then I want it to go the opposite, change X by -10. So motion, change X by -10. So now, if I try to go to the right, he's not going to be able to go through that wall. He's going to bounce back. Okay, that is how you do a barrier. So you can do that in all 4 directions. So if I did this one, I would do the if touching color black, and I would do change Y by -10. On this one, I would do change X by +10. I just do the opposite, change Y by +10. And that's how you create a barrier.